right, go ahead, lie down on the ball. I want your legs a little wide on this one. Okay, so open them up so you don't move and fly off of this ball. I want the ball right in the center of your back. Here's her back. Bam, the peak of the ball's right in the center. Now, we're taking your hands, putting them over here, 3 fingers as usual on your head. Blow out and come upward. Breathe in and go all the way down so you get that extension in your stomach. Now, what I want you to notice, she has her hips up, okay? A lot of people in the gym, you see them moving their hips up and down during the set, takes all the pressure off of the stomach. No good. Look at her arms, they're nice and wide. They're not going inward or outward. Her chin is going straight up towards the ceiling. I don't want you curling up this way. Once you curl up this way, the ball's going to start to move. Your hips are going to shoot down. It's going to take pressure off of that stomach. Blow out on the way up, breathe in on the way down, and squeeze.